Great evening folks, in Crypto Vault. Today we will talk about Sushiswap. The result of mechanical up degree concerning thinking, planning and conceptualizing has been incredible, particularly for cryptographic forms of money. The people who adjust to the quickly changing business sector climate, develop, and the individuals who neglect to coordinate speed with the opinion, die. Similar remains constant for some prominent digital forms of money. One such name is Sushiswap. The ongoing business sector rank is number 128 on CoinMarketCap, making itself continually solid and accessible at lower cost, upgrading the liquidity to the financial backers. Sushi, the local badge of Sushiswap, Sushi, has taken special care of the steady ascent sought after of the financial backers. The advanced guide cut by Sushi for its clients has placed the power in the possession of financial backers, broadening the liquidity potential. The origin of Sushiswap, Sushi. Conceptualized by Chef Nomi, the Sushiswap project is an AM. The whole unbiased behind the production of this Sushiswap cryptographic money was to work with clients to make liquidity pools and reap prizes consequently as Sushi computerized resources. Sushi is the local badge of the Sushiswap decentralized trade. The prize plan is intended to the point that financial backers benefit the most extreme out of it. The award begins from block number 10,750,000. Each block gives 100 sushi, which is disseminated among the individuals from every one of the upheld pools. DIETH, SUSDETH, DeFi stablecoins, USDTeth, USDCeth, concentrated stablecoins, SNXeth, UMAETH, manufactured resources, COMPETH, LENDETH, loaning conventions, AMPLeth, ETHETH, LINKETH, BANDETH, profits, SushiETH. Sushiswap price prediction. Following master's footsteps. Taking a gander at the consistent upsurge in the cost of Sushiswap, it merits seeing how the value graph of Sushiswap has performed over years. Members benefit from the blockchain-empowered useful benefits. Sushiswap works with gains, however fabricates trust. Sushiswap's portion empowered comfort as well as supports confidence, assisting clients with building fortunes, conveying different decentralized app capacities as powerhouses and suspected pioneers. As per the specialized investigation and Sushi coin cost forecast, by end of 2022, the cost of Sushiswap, Sushi, will be $4.41261, with good faith, posing a potential threat in coming not many years. Time is ready to put resources into Sushiswap now. In light of the Sushiswap gauge, the year 2022 may give a vertical push to Sushiswap, taking it to $11.370 temporarily. With a 5-year productive venture, the income is supposed to be around plus 347.36%. Your current $100 venture choice might depend on $447.36 in 2027. As indicated by the most recent long-haul Sushiswap cost gauge, Sushi cost will hit $5.11 before the current year's over, and afterward $5.62 toward the finish of 2023. The cost of Sushiswap will ascend to $11.35 inside the year 2031. As per Sushi cost forecast, Sushiswap cost ought to show an extraordinary potential, and a value change should have been visible to $4 before the current year's over in great circumstances. Subsequently, in the long haul, Sushiswap, Sushi, may have a huge fan base, which will assist it with arriving at new highs. According to the ongoing value pattern and specialized pointers like relative strength file, Sushi cost could record a colossal cost flood above $30 in the impending years. Sushiswap price prediction 2022. However, since the Sushi United States dollar cost ascend with an expansion in exchanging volume, somewhat keeping a low exchanging action, may not be supportive of Sushiswap, as new coins cost are basically added to the dissemination, weakening the stockpile. Seeing the 100% return as significant, there are cynical feelings winning that a bridge additional expectations of cost increment, pushing Sushiswap to $8.5 start of the year 2022. The typical cost could reach at $8.8 in 1 year. Sushiswap Price Prediction 2023. The capability of Sushiswap is additionally encouraged by the hearty help region presented by princely Chinese business people. Being discussed over and over, the costs of Sushiswap have demonstrated dynamism and vacillation at the same time. Thus taking the specialists' perspectives, Sushi value expectations, and help Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2024. Some specialists additionally contend that the group of Sushiswap misses the mark regarding a forceful association binge which can be accomplished as future outcomes in somersaulting the whole chain of occasions for the token. A reassuring cost expectation conjecture for the later long stretches of 2023 and 2025 shows that the value change of Sushi United States dollar is ready for an astounding excursion, posting a development pace of 1,325.589% inside the following 5 years. The typical cost will reach to $11.9 in the year 2024. Sushiswap, Sushi, Price Prediction 2025. Sushiswap specialized examination and Sushiswap conjecture likewise demonstrate markets will astonish its fans by fixing the future cost at $16.8 by 2025. Sushiswap Price Prediction 2026. While the critical advancements have influenced the Sushiswap, Sushi, cost pushing them in a positive heading, the cryptographic money market is by all accounts holding significantly more guarantee in the years to come. The main obstacle in the method of the flourishing of Sushiswap cryptographic money is tremendous constancy on decentralized applications at which the costs are simply reliant upon market development. The cost is anticipated to reach $17 in the drawn out in the year 2026. Henceforth, it is a right venture counsel. As per the specialist's own exploration, the Sushi yield arrived at 1,500% in 1 year. The need to acquire Sushi tokens to partake in the pool additionally checked positive cost change toward the start of the second quarter of 2021. Standing tall and firm around $3.53 of current cost with a market cap of $446,335,486.22. Sushi is supposed to be bullish till this year end. Sushiswap, Sushi, unlocking the potential. Sushi being liquidity in the possession of the financial backer, has done full equity too. The whole foundation of Sushi rotates around liquidity, and even more so, when clients are not utilizing Sushi, they can in any case profit from the incomplete procuring receiving an attractive benefit. This element of Sushi outperforms any remaining benefits of this crypto resource that make certain to crown it as a jewel in the realm of advanced monetary forms. Check here are other crypto cost forecasts. Is Sushiswap, Sushi, a wise speculation? In view of Sushiswap cost expectations, and truly yes. As indicated by basics of unwavering quality and hearty openness of liquidity, Sushi would end up being a trailblazer in the whole digital money world. On a critical scale, this advanced resource, despite the fact that may not blow the rooftop at the cost, but rather will definitely stand firm feet on the ground. Financial backers and dealers can begin exchanging, and a decent return can be anticipated from this coin. Will Sushiswap coin cost reach $50? Dramatic or hazardous development according to the transient Sushiswap cost expectations, Sushi coin cost might be a misrepresentation. Particularly on the grounds that because of pandemic the vast majority of the cryptographic forms of money have endured a terrible shock. The equivalent is valid for Sushiswap as well. Notwithstanding, the token has huge potential, thus the expansion and development is hopefully anticipated. Now that the pandemic is subsiding, it would continuously be incredible information for Sushi holders as well, and it very well may be the greatest cost. What are the Sushi reward programs? These are the best icings to be appreciated with Sushi. These prizes make Sushi a charming purchase. Normally, financial backers and merchants all over the planet get urged to put resources into the brilliant possibilities related with it. Encircled by numerous collusions, Sushiswap